a lot of organizations that want to improve broadband, they need to hire a consultant to do a feasibility study. So you have to assess the market, you have to have some kind of an initial design to work off of, decide what's the business model they want to enter with. What's different from Fujitsu is we have a more comprehensive view of this. So a lot of feasibility studies are focused on design and construction. While that is a necessity, we also look at day two, what happens after construction, standing up the business, operating it, getting customers, we're keeping them satisfied. And we live the day two all the time with our current clientele. And so, network operations and ongoing maintenance, keeping it healthy, keeping the customer experience positive is really important. So we make sure to cover that part of the broadband business in our study. So you're not just looking at design and build, which we do very well at, but also what we call operations and maintenance after that's all finished.